Okay, in we're in LendingHome's website here, and we are actually adding loans into Podio. So we've got on the right side of the screen, we've got a list of all the loans, and then on the left side of the screen, we've got the loans as they are in Podio. So we are going to continue here. Um, I'm going to choose a new one. Let's see. How about 3776 Wasmond? Okay, I'm going to come here. And the first thing I'm going to want to do is click Add Financing. Okay. The lender, I'm going to select LendingHome. You just start typing it, it'll pop up. Collateralized properties. I had already said it was 3776 Wasmond. It's actually not. Oh, there it is up the upper right. 3776 Wasmond. So I'll just start typing that here. There it is. Okay. And then the loan number. Now the loan number, I can find actually if I go to um, uh, the overview. I'm sorry, actually just going back to the first page. There's the loan number right there. Okay. And the original loan amount or limit is going to be the loan amount here. So that's 58,000. Okay. Let's just fill in the interest rate real quick. Let's slide down. Effective rate is going to be the interest rate, so 8.75. Okay. And then we'll click in to get the rest. Okay. So let's slide back up here. The current balance. You get the current balance by taking the unpaid balance and subtracting the project undrawn. In this case, there is no undrawn. If this undrawn were 10,000, we'd take 58,000 minus 10,000, and we'd put 48,000 as the current balance. But in this case, there's no undrawn, so it's 58,000 minus 0, which equals 58,000. Okay. Now come down to here. We're going to go monthly payment, principal and interest. Now, the LendingHome loans all just have a principal and interest payment. They don't have escrow payments of any kind. So you're just going to fill in the payment P&I right there. Okay? And the terms of every LendingHome loan are all IO. Okay? They all have 12 months of an IO period. Okay, so amortization is IO. IO months is 12. The term is 12. The rate is fixed. There is no prepayment penalty. There's no index. There's no index at close, no spread, no current prepayment penalty. The loan type is fix and flip, and the lien position is first lien. Okay, so I'm going to slide back up. There was a couple that we piece of information that we missed up here. Closing and maturity dates. Okay, so we're going to get the closing. The maturity date will be right here. Okay, 9/1/2020, and then over here down at the bottom, the prepaid interest amount, the lowest line over here, the oldest date, that'll be the date the loan was closed. So we're going to go here and we're going to go 8/5/2019, and then the maturity date 9/1/2020 goes here. Okay, 9/1. I'm sorry. 9/1/2020. Okay. And let's see. The only other thing we need to do, we're going to go to Documents. And we're going to slide all the way down to the bottom. I'm sorry, not all the way down to the bottom. Where it says Closing Documents. And we're going to download two sets of documents here. The first is the final HUD. Okay, you also may see buyer's HUD. Don't download any seller HUD, only the buyer's HUD or the final HUD, either way. So we're going to download that one. Doesn't really matter where you put this, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in the property file under sale docs. Okay, and then I will. The other one I'm going to download is the PC signed closing docs. Okay, and it's here, and I'll do the same thing. I'll download it and put it in that same folder. Okay, and the purpose for putting it in that folder is I'm going to go to that folder here, and I'm going to download. Sorry, I'm going to go to those sale docs. I'm going to take those two documents I just downloaded. I'm going to drag them over here to file. So now I've got the closing documents, the HUD, and the rest of the closing documents are here. Okay, and that is all you need to do for the LendingHome loans. We need to do that for all of them. You click Save Financing, and you're all done. Thank you.